Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to open YouTube in Firefox, step by step. Let's get started. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Look for the Firefox icon on your desktop or in your taskbar, then click it once to launch the browser. When Firefox opens, you should see the main browser window with a large empty area and a bar across the very top. Now click the address bar at the top of the Firefox window. This is the long horizontal box near the top, which might already show some text or a web address. Move your mouse pointer onto that bar and click once, and you should see any existing text become highlighted, ready to be replaced. Next, type youtube.com into the address bar. Take your time and type it as one word, YouTube, then a dot, then com, with no spaces. A common mistake here is adding extra letters or a space, which will make Firefox search instead of going straight to the site. Once you have typed youtube.com, press the Enter key on your keyboard. After you press Enter, Firefox will contact the YouTube website and start loading the page. You should see the YouTube homepage appear, with the YouTube logo at the top left and a grid of video thumbnails in the main area. At this point, YouTube is now open in Firefox and ready to use. You can scroll to see more videos or use the search bar at the top of the YouTube page to look for something specific. Firefox uses the address bar to go directly to websites when you type a full address, so you can repeat this process anytime you need to open a site. From here, you can also make YouTube easier to access in Firefox. First, make sure YouTube is open in a tab, just like you have it now, so you can keep it handy while you adjust your settings. Having the site open makes it easier to recognize its shortcut later. With YouTube open, click the menu button in Firefox, which looks like three horizontal lines near the top right corner of the window. Move your mouse to that icon and click it once to open a drop-down panel with several options. A common mistake is clicking too close to the edge of the window, so make sure you click directly on the three-line icon. Next up, go to Settings, then Home. In the menu panel that opened, look for the word Settings and click it to open the Settings tab. In the left side of the Settings tab, find the Home section and click Home, and you will see options that control what Firefox shows when you open it or open a new tab. Here you can customize your Firefox homepage and shortcuts so that your most frequently visited sites are easier to access. Adjusting these home options changes what appears whenever you open a new Firefox window or a new tab without affecting other programs on your computer. Many people do not realize that the shortcuts you see on the Firefox homepage update automatically based on the sites you visit most, so by visiting YouTube often, it is more likely to appear there as a quick shortcut. You have now opened YouTube in Firefox and seen how to reach the settings that control your Firefox homepage and shortcuts. If this saved you time, please consider giving it a like. It helps the next person who is stuck find this fix. And if you would like to support the channel, subscribe. It is free and truly keeps us going. Thanks for watching.